today?
Well, I'm a mommy.
You're a mommy? Well, hello, mommy. I am a grandma.
Glad to meet you, Grandma.
Glad to meet you, mommy.
I would like free something, Grandma.
What would you like to buy?
I would like an apple, please.
A pear.
I think that's a pear.
I'll put it in the bag for you, okay?
Okay.
And what else do you want to buy?
I need a coin.
Oh, and some corn. This is 3 for $1. Did you get 3 of them or just 1?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh, can you show me how to work it?
Yeah, right here. And you can use it.
I cannot use it? Okay, no. This is my store, lady. Get on the other side. And what else would you like to buy?
I would like a wing pop.
A ring pop.
Oh, I take share with me.
Who's going to share with you?
Daddy can take you.
Okay. And what is this?
This is my drink.
A Hello Kitty, my drink. And what's this?
This is my fry.
Okay.
No, I would like a sandwich, please.
A sandwich?
A sandwich.
I would like can have a sandwich.
Okay.
And yellow.
The lettuce.
Yellow.
Okay. Oh, did you buy candy for Grandma?
I would eat some.
Oh. You're eating it before you buy it?
And do you want some vitamins too?
I would eat some.
Okay.
Some candy.
And some candy. All right. Can I get you anything else, lady? What else?
I would get some.
Okay. Do you have enough money to buy all this?
I would get some.
You'd like to buy a dog. Okay, I think that's enough, young lady.
Okay, I'm looking out.
Okay. What else?
Okay, I'll get some. I got a hat for my ducky.
A lid.
And a ducky.
And the ducky. 97 cents, please.
And a maraca.
Maraca?
A maraca.
And take my puppy diaper.
Okay.
And my puppy, please.
Okay. And it would be $33, please.
I will show you.
I need some money, please.
There you go.
No, you have the money in your pocket,
I think
remember?
you have some money in your pocket, lady.
I put it. Yeah, here you go.
Okay. That's 10. I think you dropped some on the ground, lady. Okay. And that's $35. This is enough. I have to give you some change. There's 1. And there's 2.
Okay.
Thank you. Here's your bag. You have a nice day.
And bye. And you have a nice day.
Bye. You have a nice day. Don't get wet in the rain.